The moment we think we know it all is the moment we forget we need God. Hi everyone, this is Teacher Arnel and today I want to talk about something na kailangan nating marinig. You don't know everything. So, huwag tayong masyadong nagmamarunong at acknowledge natin ang authority ng Diyos. Totoo, di ba? Minsan kasi feeling natin ang talino natin. Akala natin kaya nating i-handle lahat. Kaya natin mag-decision on our own. Pero at the end of the day, limited lang pala ang knowledge natin. Sabi sa Proverbs 3:5-6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will direct your paths. Napakalinaw. Do not lean on your own understanding. Bakit? Kasi kulang ang understanding natin. Pero ang Diyos, He sees the bigger picture. He knows the past, the present, and the future. Kung minsan ang tendency natin is to take control, Lord, ako na. Alam ko na to. Pero alam mo, kapag tayong nasusunod, madalas na uuwi tayo sa maling direksyon. Kaya kailangan natin na magpakumbaba at kilalanin na siya ang mas nakakaalam. Na-experience ko na rin ito, guys. May mga plano ako na inisip ko is the best for me. Pero nung sinunod ko ang sarili ko, nag-fail. Pero nung pinasa ko kay Lord lahat at sinabi kong, Lord, ikaw nang bahala. I acknowledge your authority. Doon ko na lang naranasan yung tunay na peace at guidance. Kaya, my dear friend, kung may decision ka man sa buhay mo na ginagawa ngayon, career, relationship, future plans, don't just rely on your own wisdom. Ask God, submit to His authority, because His ways are higher than us. Tandaan mo yan. Humility is knowing you don't know everything and trusting the one who does. Bless ka ba sa message na to? You can share it with your friends and don't forget to like, follow, and share and be updated sa ating susunod na short faith talks. God bless you.